That's beautiful. When you murmur positive things to each other, or when you murmur the Word of God, kaya mo yan. Focus tayo. Stop being a murmurer. Ano pong murmurer? Example na negative. May mga ibang tao, may makita lang, he saw the sign, city proper. Sabi niya, bakit? Mayroon bang city improper? May agad negative eh. Normal school. Sabi na naman, bakit? Mayroon ba mga abnormal school? May no-comment palagi na negative. May nakita siyang nakasulat doon sa pick-up, 4x4, edi 16. Mayroon siya palaging sinasabi, galit and everything.